You've had a teddy bear. Yeah. Yep. Now, orange. Let's look over here at the animals. Let's look at the animals. Oh my. That's a penguin. What's that? That's a dog. Like those two dogs. Only this one's different color. Dog, dog, dog. Dog says, bow wow, bow wow. That's what a dog says. There's a rabbit. I don't know what he says. Fish, fish, goat, goat, butterfly. You go fast. That's a zebra. That says, look how many legs a zebra has. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a lion. You know what the lion says? It just roars. I don't know what that, yeah, that says cow, cow. That's a horse. Look, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. Frog. Yes. All you can see there is 2 legs. He's got some more. That's a tiger. That looks kind of like a cat. That's a goose. You're sleepy, I think. That's a kitten. Because you know what the kitten says? Meow. Meow. That's a pig. The chicken says cock-a-doodle-doo. That's a chimp, a monkey. Look at his eyes. 1, 2 eyes. Oh, 2 guinea pigs. 1 guinea pig, 2 guinea pigs. Calf. Calf. And that's an elephant. Look at this big old long nose he has. Chickens. 2 chickens. 1 fox. You want to turn the page? Turn the page. That's an owl. It kind of looks funny, doesn't it? Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. There's the bear. And here's a little bitty bumblebee, but he hurts if he bites.